Hi, my name is Zidane Mohammad. I am a chartered MSK physiotherapist operating out of Westgate Clinic. So, what is physiotherapy? Physiotherapy helps to restore movement and function when a patient is affected by injury, illness, or disability. It can also help to reduce the risk of injury or illness in the future. Physiotherapy is suitable for everyone, whether you are an office worker suffering with pain, a sports person with an injury sustained from participating in your sport, or someone who has just developed pain suddenly without any explanation. We see patients from all sporting backgrounds and patients requiring pre-op and post-operative care. Physiotherapy can help to treat conditions which are chronic in nature, such as long-term back or neck pain, long-term joint pain, and inflammatory conditions such as arthritis or tendinitis. The goal of physiotherapy at the clinic is to empower a patient into managing their injury or condition themselves and not becoming dependent on healthcare practitioners. We want to educate you to a level where you confidently understand your injury or condition so that an informed decision can be made. We see too many patients who've been given a previous diagnosis and have never been given basic information such as tissue healing durations, if the intervention hasn't worked, then what the patient should do next, and what are the best ways of ensuring that the injury doesn't reoccur and happen again. Soft tissues like muscles, tendons and ligaments require stimulus to recover, which is why each and every physiotherapy patient at the clinic receives exercises tailored to their specific needs. They'll also receive highly skilled hands-on treatment if the physiotherapist deems it appropriate to help with the recovery process or to help reduce acute pain and discomfort. At the clinic, you'll benefit from short waiting times, often next day or same week appointments, an evidence-based approach from all of our practitioners, a full comprehensive invoice which includes the physiotherapist's HCPC registration number. This gives the patients the opportunity to use insurance policies to pay for treatments, as most insurance providers accept physiotherapy as a treatment option. Follow-up support in the form of rehab programs, follow-up consultations, and onward referral if your condition is outside our scope of practice or requires further investigations via things like MRI or blood test. To book an appointment, just click the Book Online button below, select physiotherapy, and choose a time and date that suits you. We look forward to welcoming you to the clinic.